push for space education, space awareness. It doesn't matter what's the outcome, whether we're going to have successful launches or not. Because since it's a competition, we are expecting each and every participant universities to really give their best.
The administration support on this endeavor actually started long before. That was 2020 pa, when Sir Jeremy and Sir Johnny mentioned about this rocket endeavor.
The overall program is really intended for a deeper relationship, deeper friendship, and to develop a strong community of Filipino innovators. You know, the space education and awareness in the Philippines is not that much yet. So this is our contribution towards building a very progressive space education, not just here in Cebu, but in the Philippines as a whole. It started with a frustration of one of my students before in spacecraft dynamics. During his final exam, he chose not to answer.
During exam, instead of answering the questions on spacecraft dynamics, in which, well, I can answer the questions, but what I did was I made a letter not for Sir Johnny, but a letter for the school.
Good thing is, I read what was written in his answer sheet.
Mura siya experience nimo as a student nga you are expecting something from the university and mura siya na-frustrate ka kay ang imong expectations kay wala na meet pa. Wala na ako natiis, ako siyang gi-direct into an essay. Akong gibutang ito tanan ng what I'm expecting nga ma-learn if mo school ako aerospace engineering. So naa ito tanan and with that one, nagtuo ko kasaban ko Sir Johnny. So nagtuo kasaban ko ni Sir Johnny but after 2 to 3 days, I received a message from him nga padoon ko sa office.
And that started our conversation because I believe that it's actually his curiosity that is being coupled with frustration that leads him to choose not to answer his final exam.
I told him exactly nga, Sir, when I was a first year student, ganito yung engineering. And currently, fourth year na ako, same pa rin.
The administration challenged him on what are his thoughts, what are his ideas on in order for the school specifically to better improve its space education.
Nag-ask siya mga suggestions on unsay mas maayong buhaton. And after the meeting, paadto ko ni Sir Harold, do you want me to think of a project na nindot yun? Because fourth year pa ko, I keep talking ni Sir nga, Sir, I wanna learn how to make a satellites, inana, ganahan ko study satellites, ana. And the very first step, akong gitanaw kay, even though medyo dili siya bagay for university, is the CANSAT. Ni-come up into idea na ako nga, well, every time nga matanaw ko about CANSAT, siyempre, na-appear may ang rocket. So, the rocket is always there. So, my question is, if I'm going to make a CANSAT, how am I going to deploy the CANSAT? Doon pumasok si rocket development. With that, nagustuhan ni Sir Harold. Siya na nga, ang ganda na idea. I think mas maganda if we're going to design our own rockets. Then sabi ko nga, yes sir, baka in the future sir, let's say 2 to 3 years yung rocket natin, sobrang laki na. Ganun, parang kwentuhan lang, sobrang laki na. Then sabi ko niya, sir, in the future, tayo din yung mag-host ng first rocket competition. Kung yun ni Sir Harold, sabi niya nga, well, ang ganda ng proposal mo. Pero anong nito is ba't ko ba daw binibigay sa mga first years at second years? Ako yung nag-propose. So ibig sabihin, ako dapat yung gagawa. Nung nag-design na ako ng rocket, na-shock sila, ba't ang tagal? Ang expected nila kasi yung maliliit na rocket lang. Yun yung expectations nila. Parang, kasi ganyan lang kalaki, ganyan lang yun expectations nila. So, ginawa ko is medyo mas mabigat. Then, nung pag-success ng Teresa 1, dito, I think it's that area. Andyan siya. Andyan yung successful ng launch ng Teresa 1. So, kaya nung nakita nila Sir Harold, sobrang saya nila Sir Harold. So, dun, sabi ni Sir Harold, tuloy natin yan. Kung gawin mo ka nung gusto mong gawin, okay, you will have the full support of the university.
At the start of this, we had zero experience in anything with CANSAT or rocket. So it took us the entire time. So that's about December until now July. So it's about half a year to really get everything nailed down. Up to this morning, nag-ayos pa kami. So, ayun, it took us all the time in the world to do what we could possibly have brought up today.
I think yung pinaka-major po na na-learn namin from this competition is that you have to do it scared. Because, ayun po, first time nga po namin. So, medyo may mga considerations kami na, hala, what if tayo yung like pinaka-pangit doon na rocket or like kasi tayo yung mga pinaka-walang alam. Pero we really had to work hard to learn how to fabricate these parts. We had to do our own research and then learn. Kasi po yung mga pag-fabricate and everything, like yung rocket structure, it's not covered in our curriculum.
Three, two, one, ignition.
First ever Philippine CAN satellite competition envisions to spread awareness, envisions to capture and invite collaboration.
When we came up with this project 2020, we thought that we were alone. But now we have several organizations, several institutions who are also involved in this. And that's one way of building up this aerospace ecosystem.
It is actually their vision to really have this program grow and evolve in such a way that we can be instrumental towards nation building.
So when we came up with the idea, concept of with the logo, the rocket is already there. So it's beyond the mission, vision, and core values of Indiana. But when we came up with that one, it was just a pipe dream.
Well, if they have the passion, if they have the dedication, the dreams and aspirations, they are actually what we're looking for.
If I'm not mistaken, we have several schools from Cebu and we also have several schools from Manila. So it's quite an achievement knowing that we are an organization here in the Visayas.
My exhortation for them is really to do not be afraid of committing mistakes. Fail if they must, but they must fail forward.
My message to our R&D, to our aerospace engineering, and those who are here in this competition, just to keep on dreaming. Keep on dreaming like what we did 33 years ago. Okay? It won't happen in a blink of an eye, but it will come.